Modern life feels loud, not because of sound, but because everyone is constantly broadcasting themselves. It's like trying to meditate in the middle of a crowded food court. Chaos everywhere, and you're just trying to breathe. Everyone feels the pressure to be visible, to be loud, to keep reminding the world we're here. Like silence means disappearing. We scroll, we compare, we panic a little, like we might fall behind in a race. No one told us we were running. So we start performing our progress, announcing every idea, every step, every plan before it even becomes real. But performing and building at the same time, that's exhausting. That's why the tower never gets very high. Then one day, you get quiet, not to disappear, but to reclaim your energy. You put the sign down. You stop explaining. You stop proving. You start building. And suddenly, your hands are free again. Free to create. Free to focus. Your power shifts inward. You stop leaking energy outward trying to be seen. Progress becomes steady, not flashy, not loud, just real. And this time, the foundation holds because it was built in silence. Others notice without you asking them to. You don't need to announce who you are. You are who you are. Growth is personal, sacred, yours. The further you climb, the quieter it gets. And the quieter it gets, the stronger you become. Now, when you finish something, you don't announce it. You just place it gently where it belongs. The work speaks for you, louder than words ever could. Move in silence, not to hide, but to grow. And when the time comes, your results will speak.